imagine the chilling audacity. A woman faking a pregnancy for months, only to brutally murder a friend and steal her unborn baby. Newly resurfaced body cam footage from the Taylor Parker case is sending shockwaves through the true crime world, revealing a jaw-dropping hospital interrogation. In this exclusive TMZ footage, Parker is seen desperately trying to convince stunned officers and hospital staff that she had just given birth, despite the grim reality that the baby was tragically cut from her murdered friend, Reagan Simmons-Hancock. The detectives, however, weren't buying a single word of her fabricated story, confronting her with the cold, hard truth. "We know you did it." What follows is a dramatic breakdown, as Parker eventually crumbles under pressure, confessing her distress while vaguely referencing a past stroke. Prosecutors later unveiled the gruesome details of her long con, culminating in a makeshift C-section that resulted in both Reagan's and the baby's death. Ultimately convicted of capital murder, Taylor Parker is now the youngest woman on Texas's death row. A grim reminder of a truly unthinkable act. This saga is pure Hollywood horror, and we're here to spill all the tea. Don't miss out on more exclusive insights into shocking celebrity scandals and trending true crime. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Join our community for the hottest celebrity gossip and trending news.